In this video, I want to begin to go over the recent test, question by question, to explain and hopefully answer any questions that might be outstanding. Question 1. We have to complete a table of values and use the result to estimate the limit. We're looking for a limit as x approaches 0. So what we need to do is to find x values that are getting closer and closer to 0 from both the left and the right. We want to use values starting with negative 0.1, negative 0.01. There's no smaller number you can get that has only two decimal places other than 0 itself, than negative 0.01. And even closer we can get negative 0.001. And if we wanted to continue, negative 0.0001. Approaching from the right side, we're going to do the same thing. 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, etc. Now if we were approaching a number other than 0, and I'll give an example of a negative and of a positive number. Let's say we were approaching negative 2. From the left, we would have negative 2.1, negative 2.01, negative 2.0001. From the right, however, it would be negative 1.9, negative 1.99. There's no closer we can get to negative 2 from the right using only two decimal places than negative 1.99. And finally negative 1.99. So if we were approaching a negative number, this would be the way we would approach from the left and the right. If we're approaching a non-zero positive number, so if we're approaching a non-zero positive number like 3, from the left we would have 2.9, 2.99, 2.999. Then from the right, 3.1, 3.01, 3.001. So these are the three different cases that we could have when approaching a number from the left and the right. It's important to understand the differences and the similarities among those three cases. So we're going to bring up the graphing calculator, and we want to enter natural log of x plus 5. So we come over here, natural log of x plus 5, close parentheses, minus the natural log of 5. Now this whole expression has to be in parentheses. And if you forget, you can start up at the top. You can hit second, insert, and put a parenthesis there. Put a parenthesis at the end, divided by x. If you don't put parentheses around that whole expression, around the numerator, then you will have mistakes in your values. Next, we're going to make sure that table set is set to independent ask. We're going to go to table, and we have some old x values in there. We'll put in new ones, negative 0.1. So we had values for negative 0.1, negative 0.01, negative 0.001. We'll approach from the right. We have 0.1, 0.01, 0.001. And you can see that the numbers are converging on 0.2. So it's pretty clear from the left and the right that we're approaching 0.2. And so we put the table, we have record the value, and I will also leave screenshots of what the different calculator screens should look like there. We'll go on to the next questions in the next video.